Hello, my name is Lakshmi Prasanna and I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in the year 2023 in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. After completing my education, I wanted to build a strong career in the IT field, especially in the area of technical support and infrastructure services. To gain the right skills and industry exposure, I joined Evision Technoserve, a trusted platform known for its IT services and placement support. At Evision, I learned and enrolled for the IT internship program. During this program, I received hands-on training and learned about the courses CCNA, N+, virtualization, Windows administration, cyber security, and network security. After completing the training successfully, I was given an internship opportunity to apply my learning in real-time scenarios, which helped boost my confidence and practical understanding even more. With Evision's guidance and support, I cleared the interview process and got selected at HCL Technologies. I'm very proud and excited to begin my professional journey with a reputed company like HCL. Thank you, Evision, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.